To set up schedules for Roborock S8, first of all, you will need to click on the enter right here in the robot interface on Roborock app. After that, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to the schedules. That way you'll be able to click on the plus button, which allows you to set up your schedule. You can change the start, and that allows you to pick an hour when it should start cleaning. After your start is selected, you can change how many times it should repeat that, once every day, only on weekdays, weekends, or custom. In custom, you'll be able to just pick whichever days you like. And lastly, you can also change which tasks it should perform. You can switch to full, to specific rooms, or specific routines if you have routines set up. For that, also you can change a cleaning mode, which also allows you to customize if it should vacuum and mop, mop only, vacuum only, and also adjust the suction power, scrub intensity and water flow, and cleaning count, which tells robot how many times it should clean or vacuum your rooms or the area that you've selected, and the route that you can put on fast or standard. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.